10 ounces of almond flour. Two teaspoons of baking soda. Teaspoon of salt. Seven eggs, room temperature. Two tablespoons of syrup, 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. Butter's melted. I'm just going to incorporate that. And I'm going to put it all together. Now I'll take my parchment paper. Oven just preheated right now. To the oven we go. 350 for 40 minutes. Next one's going to be yogurt. But all's not lost. I'll show you later. I have my failed yogurt here. It's edible, but it's a little sour. I don't know. The first batches never seem to turn out like I want them to, even when I think I've got it figured out. So I got my room temperature, half and half tablespoons of inulin powder. So here goes one. It tends to clump up. I'm going to poke a hole in this so it doesn't glug. I'm going to set my temperature. Need to make sure there's enough water in there. I want the water to be up to the level. Dried shallots. I don't know how much is there. Looks like half of a cup. Leia's chili garlic. That's from Philippines. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. A little bit of black pepper. This is a new variation. I haven't done it like this before. I know I have no paprika, and since I want it now, I was going to find it. And still paprika, I want that. Chili powder. Either way. Yeah, right now. The tornado. Now I have onion powder. I'm going to do equal amounts, onion and garlic. Guess that's about 2 tablespoons of each. Parsley. Get all this out of the lid so everything's blended together. Just a little bit because I don't want to pulverize everything. The only thing I want to pulverize is the shallots. I'm going to put some paprika in there. Doesn't have to be this brand. Roasted shallots, I get them on Amazon. This really enhances the flavor. You can't find this on the shelf anywhere. Any spices are usually loaded with salt and other things to keep the silicon dioxide, to keep it from sticking together. They put all kinds of extras I don't like because it's not needed. If it clumps up, big deal. You just stick a knife, butter knife or something in there, break it apart, you're good to go again. And then sometimes I just use leftover spice bottles to put my seasoning in. And this will harden up over time. You just take a little knife, whatever, run it around in there. It breaks right back apart. Easy convenience. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. Perfectly done. Ooh la la. Leave it here to cool for a little while.
Okay guys, nag-prepare si John ng egg and then our favorite leftover ito actually pork chop. Tastes like fresh. 30 na namin na ulam ito.
Egg sauce.
Look at that, oh. Wow. And then you put that egg with bread.
Dippity-doo.
Wow. Best ever. Hi guys, good morning and happy Friday po sa inyong lahat. Maghihilamos lang ako first thing in the morning using our Your Highness Collagen Soap. Ito na talaga yung gamit ko guys. Marami na actually akong mga sinubukan na mga facial foam, facial wash. So, collagen soap po ito guys, 100 grams. And madami yung mga nagre-reorder nito sa totoo lang. Actually, hindi naman pare-parehas yung skin tao, di ba? Ang isang produkto ay hiyang para sa'yo. Yung iba naman ay hindi hiyang sa'yo. Pero sa totoo lang guys, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-try ng aking Your Highness Collagen Soap, 99%. 99.9% parang mikrobyo lang, no? Ang nagsabi ng magandang feedback about our collagen soap. Especially, number 1 si John. right there, our collagen soap is one of the best soap.
One of the best.
Oo. Nagpakain ka na ng pusa, dear. Ayan, nagawa na pala siya ng coffee. Did you feed the cats? Except Midnight.
I didn't give Midnight any wet.
Alright. Timplahan lang ako ng kape na dyan. Ito na pala yung ginawa niya kahapon na bread. Ayan. Keto bread. Did you... I was gonna try that fresh from the oven. Actually, we're using the new coffee that we bought from Trader Joe's and it's really good, huh?
Yeah, it's very good.
It's medium roast. Ayan, tignan natin kung ano nang ginagawa ng mga alaga natin. Na-feed na sila ni Jan. Ayun, kumakain. Yung isa papasukin na natin para makapag-focus sa pagkain si Province. Ayan, pumasok na si Midnight. And bibigyan na natin siya ng kanyang special food. Grabe, ang mahal ng food mo, ha? Your food is expensive. Guys, please do not skip ads. Sabi nila, wait lang. Sorry sa camera. Sabi nila, always include your kitties in the vlog. Because they love to see you. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagre-request, nanonood at nag-e-enjoy, especially kasama yung mga pusa namin. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for your mga request. No? Kausap ko nga kahapon si Ma'am Leslie. At ang sabi niya, nag-enjoy daw talaga siya na manood sa vlogs namin. Kasama ang kanyang husband na puti, ha? No?
Are you trying to trip me? You haven't had your food yet.
Ito na nga. Natutuwa ako, guys, at nai-encourage pa ako na motivate ako na gumawa ng maraming vlogs. Ayun na, oh. Maakit-akit na siya. Maakit-akit na.
Climbing the furniture now.
Climbing the furniture now. Tignan nyo. Alright. It's yours. Dito ka na lang sa gilid. Ay, oo nga. Hala. Hello, Your Highness. My name's Johannes.
And I'm John.
We are Johannes and John. Ma'am Leslie told me yesterday, you have that trademark of yours that you always say before you do the vlog, because I noticed that John is not really talking in the vlog, and then when I see John doing that in one of your videos, it makes me happy, sabi niya, Ma'am Leslie. And then I told her, which one? I can't remember. Yeah, you have this in the opening every time in your vlog. I can't remember really. You need to have a trademark with your followers, sabi niya. So I think yan na lang yung comment down below, guys, if you like it or what. If you like our opening statement or intro, kumbaga, intro. Hello, Your Highness. My name is Johannes and I am John and we are Johannes and John. Okay, yan na yung gagawin natin, guys. Okay, so ginawa na pala ako ng coffee ni John. Ginawa siya ng panibagong batch ng yogurt kasi the first batch na ginawa niya is sourdough. Ito na yung ginawa niya. Meron ng 27 hours left. So, it's gonna be tomorrow morning. Ayan. So, nabili natin to sa Amazon, guys. Ultimate yung brand. So, if you are trying to be healthy and you want to eat good yogurt with a lot of good benefits, try that one. Make your own yogurt. Actually, there's lots of good yogurt naman in the market. But, it's not really made. It's not the same. No, it's not the same benefits, and it's only done for how many hours? Only 8 hours, 12 hours. This one is 36 hours cultured. So it's really good for the body. Ay, yung ginawa ni Jan pala na tinapay kahapon. Mag-slice lang ako ng a little bit. Ayun na, kumain na pala si Jan dito eh. You tried it, dear. How is the recipe? Is it perfect?
It's good. I just got a little end cut.
Mm-hmm. My favorite end cut.
Just wanted to make sure it's
Sometimes
not
when
salty.
we find some bananas in the dumpster, guys, we usually add some bananas with it. But really, it's good as it is. Thank you so much for all your prayers for my papa, ha. I read all your comments, all your well wishes for my papa. I really appreciate it, guys. Currently, we really tried our best. Maraming mga nagsabi, Marilu, meron pang isa akong nabasa kanina na sabi, bring your papa to the hospital. Actually, we really tried our best to talk to papa. Kapag hindi na niya kaya, ay magpadala na siya sa ospital, guys. Kasi para malapatan siya ng karampatang pain reliever. So, pero ayaw niya talaga magpadala ng ospital, guys. I don't know what's the reason. Hindi naman pera, hindi naman sa pagbabantay kasi marami naman nagbabantay doon. And kanina pumunta sila doon sa clinic and the doctor was not available in the clinic earlier. Said will be available tomorrow. Because yung tinitake kasi, palliative care na lang kasi yung papa ko, tinitake niya is pain management na lang. Pain medication which is morphine 10 mg. And sabi ko pag may available na 15 or 20, increase ang dosage para hindi na makaramdam ng sakit ang aking papa pa. Yun nga, sabi ng kapatid ko, wala daw. Yung sabi ko, i-admit na lang namin sa ospital. No, para kahit pa paano ma-injectionan siya ng, kaagad. Wala yung pain. Ewan ko guys kung ano yung kuan ng papa ko kasi ayaw niya talaga. Sabi ko, may sasakyan naman tayo. May pera naman. Pero, ako ginagalang ko yung desisyon ng aking papa. Kung ano ang gusto niya. Ang gusto niya sa bahay lang, okay lang din. Pero ayaw kasi namin na makita siya na excruciating pain ba? Na namimilipit siya sa sakit. Ayaw natin na makita yan sa ating magulang kung pwede pa lang paghati-hatian natin yung pain, di ba? Pero, wala tayong magagawa talaga, guys. She's done eating. Ayun siya, province sa labas. Uy! And he's done eating. That was so fast. That's good if she eats a lot. Hi! Ayun siya sa labas. Itong isa. You wanna go out? Hello! Midnight. Midnight. Hi, they want to see you all the time.
She almost ate all 6 servings.
Oh, perfect. In today's vlog, magha-harvest po tayo ng star fruits at ibebenta natin. So sabi 30 cents daw yung bili nila sa... Grabe, no? Ganyan ang business talaga, guys. I mean, I totally understand. They're buying it for 30 cents, the biggest one, and they're selling it for $2.99 or $3. So they have like, they double the price or triple the price. Or maybe times 6, di ba? Mas malala sila. Why? I understand. Because they're paying, there's lots of employees. That's number 1. And number 2, we don't know if they own the place or they're renting only in that supermarket. So, there's a lot of factors involved. Kaya naiintindihan ko kung bakit ang tataas ng mga presyo. So, kagaya ng sa, for example, dried fish. For example, dear, with my dried fish, no, if I'm selling it for $10, 100 grams, it's okay because there's lots of factors involved. Who packed it? Who...
Well, the whole process is huge.
Exactly. They dried it. We went to Jensen.
Yeah,
we traveled 6
hours.
And the gasoline is 95 pesos per liter. So that's already $100 back and forth lang to Jensen. And then, kumain pa kami doon, syempre. Alam ka naman, hindi tayo kakain, magmerienda. Nabayaran namin, magkano din? Almost 5,000 din, di ba? Sa travel pa lang, 10,000.
Unpacking, repacking.
Unpacking, repacking.
Packing.
Exactly. Siguro naman, hindi naman siguro masama kung kumita ako ng $2, $3, $4. Deserve ko yun. Deserve ko din yun, guys, di ba? So ako nagpapasalamat naman ako, pero hindi naman talaga ako na talagang tutubo ng sobrang mahal. Kasi minsan may mga nakikita din ako na mga $15, $20 per bag, 100 grams. No, pero hindi din natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nila, kung bakit ganoon kamahal yung binebenta nila. Kagaya na lamang ng ating Trader Joe's bags, no? If you look online, guys, may mga nagbebenta ng $15, $18, $20. Sa akin is $10.99 lang. Bakit? Malapit lang kasi dito at hindi ako masyadong nahirapan sa pagkuha ng bag. Like for example, nagpo-post ako, 'di ba? And then nagko-comment kayo na ganito lang yan kamura dito sa ganito ganyan na place, ganito lang yan kamura, bakit kayo bibili ng ganyan? The reason bakit sila bumibili sa akin, guys, is because naipaliwanag ko na to nung nakaraan. Not available po sa kanilang lugar. Wala pong Trader Joe's sa kanilang lugar. At kung mag-travel pa po sila, mas lalo pa silang magastusan. 'Di ba? Yung iba kasi sa kanila is 4 hours away pa yung Trader Joe's. Yung iba naman sa kanila, nag-check online at mas mahal siya online. Kaya mas gusto nila na bumili na lang sa akin. 'Di ba? At saka hindi nyo na dapat sabihin na ganito lang yan ang price. Dito, $4.99, ganito ganyan, plus tax, ganito ganyan, almost $6 lang. Alam na nila yun. Lahat ng mga nag-order, nakapag-research na po yan sila. 'Di ba? Kaya nga sila umorder sa atin para, dahil for convenience. Kaya sila umorder sa akin. No? Minsan kasi yung iba hindi nila maintindihan eh. Minsan kasi is, pag may mga tao na successful kagaya sa akin na parang marami yung mga bumibili sa akin, ganyan. Parang may mga iba tayong kababayan na hindi ko nila lahat. Pero may crab mentality tayo na ganyan. Or yung iba is parang masina sila, no? Mag-jealous sila, na ganito ganyan, may kababayan na umaangat, no? Pero hindi naman talaga yun grabe ang pag-angat, no? Magtubo lang tayo ng makabili lang tayo ng grocery. Kagaya kahapon, nalibre lang yung grocery namin, 'di ba? Sa kinita ko, nalibre lang yung grocery namin, o 'di ba? So, ano pa rin yun, diskarte sa buhay pa rin ang tawag doon. Ako nagpapasalamat ako na marami akong followers na sumusuporta din sa akin. Hindi lang kayo nanonood sa videos ko, no? Kundi sumusuporta din kayo sa pamamagitan ng pagbili ng aking mga products. Kaya I'm really, really grateful with that. That they're not only watching our videos there, they're only supporting our products. And in that way, we pay our bills, we pay the groceries, no? It's really overwhelming. You know, your support, it's really, even if it's only $1, $2, $3 income, and 100 customers, it makes a big difference talaga. You know, especially now that there's lots of bills, no? For my papa's medical, in the US,
Never-ending bills.
electric, not only paying electric here, paying also electric in the Philippines. And electric is not cheap,
No, you get less for the money in the Philippines. A lot less.
Papasalamat talaga ako na marami akong mga customers, especially sa US, no? And mga customers ko din sa Philippines, maraming salamat. Hindi naman ako perfect, guys, no? May mga orders nagkakamali tayo. Naintindihan ko yan. Gusto ko mag-sorry sa inyo, guys. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin niya na tinakbo yung pera. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi may mga natatabunan na orders at wala po akong mga inano na orders, pinapalagpas. Kung hindi man nabili yung order ninyo, hindi man na-fulfill yung order ninyo, na ibalik agad yung pera. So, ako kasi talaga, guys, is gusto kong maging kuan sa customer ko ba? Tapat sa customer ko. So, kung mga may hindi nabigyan, no? Nag-wait, tapos hindi pala nagkaroon ng item nila, pasensya na po talaga kayo, guys. At syempre nag-iisa lang din ako dito sa US, wala akong katuwang, 'di ba? Si Jan, katuwang ko siya sa pamamagitan ng pag-drive, sa pamamagitan ng pag-box, no? Jan is helping with boxing, driving, no, and all other stuff. But in terms of checking the money, asking for payments, it's all on me. So, and I apologize if sometimes I make mistake because it's really overwhelming. Sometimes when a lot of like 200 in just one in just one live, a lot of people, and then some of you guys don't send screenshots, no? So you have to be you send the correct details, okay, or your address, because it will have a problem in the future. Like if I send the items and then you didn't put the apartment number, it's gonna be, whose fault is that? Diba? And some courier, they don't send it back to us? No. I haven't experienced that. That it's a wrong apartment there and they back to sender. No. I haven't experienced.
No.
Why is that?
I don't know. It probably goes into a big hole in the
USPS.
yeah.
So, yun. Number 1 yan, guys, ha? Please make sure to submit or send all your details, complete details, name and complete address. Don't forget the apartment number. And also, when you pay me, please always take a screenshot, reference number, send it to me. No? So, I have a reference. Kasi some of you guys, oh, I already paid. So, what's the reference number? I cannot check that sa bank statement ko. Kasi there's a lot, no? Okay lang sana kung pa isa, dalawang customer ang nagbabayad kasi I can check it right away eh. Pero pag marami yung nagbabayad, I really have to go one by one, no? Sa lahat ng transaction. So, I hope you understand na nag-iisa lang po ako. So, next time, always remember that if you order something, make sure, put all the details, no? Screenshot and all, no? So, that's it. The first batch, right? You said it's sour. It's broken.
It's like cheese.
Okay. Lalagyan ni dyan ng blueberry.
Turn it to liquidy.
Oh, okay. So that's the yogurt.
Part of it though.
Okay.
Right.
All right. This is our early breakfast. That's the only downfall to close it. Stuff. Let's see. It's supposed to be very healthy. Not bad. It's good actually.
I don't know what happens.
I wish Daddy John come back here at the Philippines.
We'll be back.
Depends now.
We'll be back, Jude.
Sutanan lang ka to.
Let me see the progress. May kawa na nagulan.
Wow.
Wow! Malapit na guys, oh. Malapit nang
Getting closer.
dugay.
Isa pala na ka na mo.
Wow! They really did a good job.
Mm-hmm.
Mura matadihag magtukod og kuan, dako nga tindahan. Looks like we're going to build a grocery store. Buhi na guys, buhi. Wow! Ang ganda na tignan. Very nice.
Very nice.
What you wish?
I wish Daddy come back to the Philippines.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, Daddy Jan.
Get the luggage.
Yeah.
Get the luggage, dear.
Get the luggage. I lost my tail.
Aha.
Nahilak na siya.
Ala, nihilak lagi si Jude. Ala, nihilak si
Namiss na
Jude.
si Daddy.
Jude is crying. Aww. We love you, Jude.
Love you, Jude.
Miss na si Daddy Jan. Si Daddy.
Package you said.
Toys.
What package you said?
Luggage.
Pack your luggage. Yes.
Pack your luggage.
bags.
Pack your bags.
Put your clothes in.
What are you thinking?
You can come here.
Uy.
Oh.
You can.
What are you thinking?
I am having yogurt drink.
Midnight. Probably.
Is it midnight? Can I check outside?
Okay. Here they are. Okay, here's outside. It's raining today.
It's still dark.
I don't hear.
But
I
we...
don't hear anything.
It's very early morning.
Mhm.
You can only hear frogs.
Where's your cats?
I don't know. They're acting crazy. Here's midnight.
Hi, Midnight. Somebody's looking for you.
Kitty Midnight.
Uy. Wow.
Hi.
Hi.
Is it white out there? Uh-huh.
Jude's looking for you, Midnight. Jude's looking for you. Here they are. Here's
There's
Midnight.
Pretty midnight.
Wow.
Healthy fat midnight.
Mm-hmm. Pretty little midnight. La 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 la. Oh, gikiss siya ni Daddy John. Where's Province? We
Hiding
have
under
another
the deck.
cat.
She's hiding.
Hi, Province.
Kitty
Come out.
Providence, Come here.
Come out.
Come here.
Jude's looking for you.
Come here.
Jude's waiting.
Province. Come here.
Province, come here. Come here.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow.
Uh-huh.
Meow.
Ayan na, ayan na. Daddy John's feeding.
Uh-huh.
Get the phone. Look, Daddy John is feeding to the phone. Look, huh? Look. Daddy John is going to feed on the phone. Using the phone. Press the phone. Look, look. Look, Jude. Mhm. See? Here's the video.
You have a video? Yeah, can I watch?
Mhm. There they are. It's running now. Wow.
That.
Wow. It's
Blackie. Where's
It's-
Daddy Honey, Blackie?
Uy, Blackie! Hi, Blackie! Blackie Kagiron!
Okay.
The face. Wait, that a big fish?
Hmm?
That a big fish behind you, Daddy John?
Big fish.
Yes.
You're very observant.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big salmon.
Big salmon.
Where did this come from?
My father. My father gave it to me.
What about these things right here? Next to the TV?
Oh, he's very observant.
What things?
Got that. Next to the TV right there at the left.
This TV?
That's a CCTV.
I
Let's.
mean, that one, the other one.
Yeah.
Another one now.
The things. The
That-
things that next to the TV.
You can see yourself there.
The camera.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
There's the
And
camera.
the CCTV.
Yes. Hi guys, good morning. Here's our current update. We almost sold out our soap. Ayan, thank you to Dear for helping me. Ayan, thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, dear.
And then, ito na po yung natapos namin. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waiting lang kami sa other payments. Actually, mga regular customer ko naman ito sila, guys. Kaya kampante ako na magbayad talaga yan sila. It's just that we have different time zone right now. Currently, it's 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. So, in other places like California, they are 3 hours behind. And most of my customers are in California. So, probably they are still sleeping. Ito na lang po yung natira. And, let me just take this opportunity to thank, I'm messaging right now Brenda Lu. She was watching one of our videos, guys, regarding my papa's current situation. And I'm very happy that a lot of you guys are messaging me. Parang nakakagaan siya. It lightens my day every time that you message me and sending me well wishes for my papa. Thank you very much, guys. We really appreciate it. We cannot just reply one by one for all your messages, but I really appreciate it. Some of the nurses actually here in the United States are messaging me, and one of those is Brenda Lu. One of them pala is Brenda Lu. Hi, Mr. Johannes. I just watched your recent upload and you mentioned about your papa's condition. I truly can relate because my mom was diagnosed with ovarian cancer 14 years ago. She fought her battle for 5 years. I know your papa knows how deeply you and the rest of the children love him. Please don't be frustrated if he wants to stay home instead of going to the hospital. As difficult as it is, it's important to respect his wishes and allow him to make his own decisions about his treatment. I know all of you want to give him the best care possible, but in the end, your papa still has the right to decide what's best for him. Respecting his choices is one of the greatest acts of love we can give. Ayan, ito po yung sabi ni ma'am, oh. Treasure this time together, create beautiful memories, share stories, and ask the doctor to adjust. Ito po yung sinabi ko din to adjust the medication regimen. He probably needs fentanyl patch. Actually, this one, John said also, dear, no? Fentanyl patch. Or lorazepam or ativan. What are the pain medications he's taking? Ayan, my papa is taking actually currently 10 milligram of morphine, and it's really hard to get it, guys. Sometimes it's not available in our province, so we have to travel 3 hours back and forth, 6 hours just to get them. And 10 milligrams as prescribed by doctor, 3 lang dapat a day, but I think right now he needs like more dosage. So nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo, guys, a lot of you mga kababayan dito sa US, working moms, ayan, even mga tatay din ha, nanonood din sila dito. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood talaga sa mga videos ko. Malaking ano yan sa akin, guys, motivation yan para sa akin na gumawa ng maraming videos, kasi ito, simpleng tulong na ganito, guys, prayers for my papa is really a big help na talaga, no? No monetary needed, because right now, guys, money is not really needed. 'Di ba? Kasi like my papa, he doesn't want to go to the hospital. So, ang ano ko lang ngayon sa papa ko is pen medication, mga for example, mga wipes, mga mask, mga diapers, yun lang. Kayang-kaya naman, guys, with your help actually. By watching my videos, malaki po ang tulong ninyo sa financial needs ko for my papa. And like I said, guys, you don't have to give me anything. All I need is just prayers, guys, para sa papa ko. And maraming salamat again. Ask his doctor lorazepam anxiety so he can relax. I'm not sure if hydromorphine is available in the Philippines. This is much stronger than morphine. But with all the pain medications, make sure your dad eats a lot of fibers, or he has a stool softener, because all these pain meds cause constipation. Ayan. So thank you so much, Sis Brenda Lu. I really appreciate, sis, what you said. It's really a big help. Sometimes kasi we need some professional help Like for example, doctors, mga nurses, no? Even if we don't know each other, you're willing to help. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Kasi talaga, guys, is I don't know if he's hiding the pain or what. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, walang problema ang pera anytime. Pag hindi mo na talaga kaya, go to the hospital. Kasi alam ko yung papa ko, he's very tired na, no? And ayaw niya na sa ospital I don't know what's the reason. Kung hindi na kaya, kasi sabi ko, bring him to the hospital. Pero nagagalit din yung papa ko. Sabi niya, no. Dito lang daw sa bahay. So, yung nagbabantay din sa kanya, guys, yung hipag ko na si Ivy and si Junray, sila madalas nagbabantay, shifting sila. Hindi rin nila alam kung anong gagawin. Kasi hindi rin nila alam nga naman na pugsunin mo siya, guys, 'di ba? Hindi naman natin mapipilit si Papa. And I think tama yung sinabi ni Ma'am Brenda Luna, parang sundin lang daw natin kung ano yung kagustuhan ng aking papa. Which is ganun din ang ginagawa namin sa ngayon, guys. Wala na tayong control. Wala kaming control over that. Kasi ayaw naman namin na masisi na bakit niyo ako dinala dito sa hospital or something like that. So hopefully, makausap na ng aking sister-in-law tomorrow yung doktor na mag-prescribe ng higher dosage ng morphine. Or ipabigay ko to sa kanya, yung info na binigay sa akin ni Sister Brenda Lu, kuan ko to sa doktor, ipakita kung mag-prescribe sila ng ganitong klase or if it's available in our province. So hopefully it's available. So ayun lang, guys. What time is it, darling? 8 o'clock. It was raining very hard earlier and I think the grass is still wet.
Everything's wet.
We are going to harvest the mangoes later. We are going to harvest the mangoes to put in some of the packages, and also some malunggay, because some of you guys are asking malunggay. Hi. And also, in today's video, ay magha-harvest din tayo. I think we're gonna go on the rooftop to harvest the kuan dear. The, what you may call it? Star fruits. Ayan. Kasi, meron nang binigay sa amin na box dito ng supermarket. Pupunuin daw natin yun. Bibilhin lang daw nila ng 30 cents. Okay lang yun. 30 cents. We're gonna buy food for you, okay? Hope we're gonna have a income. Ayan. So, bili tayo ng food ninyo. Mahal ang mga food ninyo, no? Mahal ang mga food ninyo ba? Hoy. Hi. Are you Mommy Faye? Hmm? You're fine. You're fine. We love you. You know we love you. Where's Key Midnight? Key Midnight! Come here! Come here! Where's your mama, Kate?
I don't know. She hasn't been around.
Hi, Kitty Midnight.
I didn't call you. I didn't call you.
Hi!
Midnight. Where are you going?
Tara, harvest tayo. Akyat tayo sa bubong. Climbing. Harvest tayo ng star fruits, guys. On the other side. Dahan-dahan, kasi baka mabulasot. Ay, nagchinelas ka, dear. You wear slippers. Alright. Dito na kami sa atop. There, oh. Nagtiniil lang ako, guys. Let me have that. Tara, harvest tayo ng star fruits. Nagtiniil si Johannes. Yun. Alright. Ang daming mga malalaki dito. So, dyan lang muna yung paharbisin ko. Not sure if they are pretty. Last time they are pretty.
They're fine.
They're the same in the store. Ayan. Look. Oh, wow. You know. Standing. Okay.
Standing. Because they want to see them.
Ayan. So, 30 or 30 cents.
Maybe not. They're small.
Maybe 20 cents.
Maybe.
May mga kaming pa naman, oh. Ayan. So, mag-harvest lang kami, guys, ng star fruits at ibebenta natin siya sa store. Tignan natin kung magkano yung kuha nila dito. Ayan. Something. Ay, frog?
Little baby frog.
Baby frog.
Do that again.
In fairness, sobrang dami. There's a lot. Kung hindi nila ito bibilhin, then, ayan, oh, we will just give it away.
Whatever. Maybe somebody wants to eat it in the car. You have to try one.
Tanggalan natin dito. Just gonna remove it. Wow.
Truthfully, you move it and it follows.
Put it there. Yun. So marami sa inyo ang mga nanghihingi nito, guys. Kaso nga lang, last time, yung namigay ako na pinaship ko siya, guys, it didn't work out. Kasi, nalata siya. It's very brittle kasi guys eh. In 2 to 3 days na shipping nito, unless overnight, ano talaga siya guys, hindi talaga siya pwede ipamigay. Unless you have to come here to the house and you will be the one to harvest.
Right.
Yan yung ginagawa nila Ate Lucy, pumupunta sila dito at sila mismo yung nagha-harvest kasi kapag ka pinapadala namin, hindi talaga nakakain guys. Sorry to say. Ay, eto dear, is it still okay? Ayun oh.
I'll know in a minute.
Ayun. No, see how brittle is that? Nangahulog yung iba. Uy, may mga ano, subay. Throw away. I don't know. Maybe not. This one. Okay.
That's just how they look.
Okay. So let's check it out here. Ala, marami pa doon sa kabila guys. O kaso delikado na kung pupunta pa tayo doon. Ayun, dito pa nga oh. Kaso nga lang ano na to, edge na to eh. Baka mahulog tayo. Edge. Ayun, may mga avocado din dito sa side na to oh. Ayun. I think we need some kind of picker. Fruit picker.
We have to go from the ground, no?
Okay. Ito ko malalaki oh. Sure, with some are very small.
They're very small, no? This is fine.
This one.
No.
Throw away. Those you set aside.
Those I set aside, yes.
Alright. Is there more here?
Yeah.
One day we will cut this or no? No need.
Yeah, it needs to cut because it fills up the gutter with leaves.
Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6. First. Ayan. Si John. Dahan-dahan lang. Mahulog tayo. Oh, mahinog na mangga nakita ko doon. Ayan na si John. Uy. May ano darling. Ipuyos na nako yung iba. Starfruit kasi I don't want to make a second trap.
You're gonna do it dangerously.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Collins. So far ito na po yung na-harvest namin. Isang buong box talaga siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Magluto kami ngayon ng tinola guys. So manguha tayo dito ng green papaya.
You think this one's green enough?
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Alright.
Ayan, puksi na ni Jan. One is enough.
One's enough?
Yeah, one's enough. Meron na kaming manok doon. May tanglad tayo dito. You wanna get the tanglad now? Might as well. Ito oh, grabe ang tanglad natin guys. Wow. That's so healthy. The healthiest tanglad I've ever seen.
So I have to cut it now.
No.
Just pull it out.
Yeah. Okay. Ito na. Grabe, it's hot now all of a sudden. Is that for dinner? The Japanese knife.
Oh.
They say what brand is it?
Don't know. Likely Yoshihiro or Saki Takayuki model.
Yan, tapos dukdukin lang natin ito para lalabas yung kanyang aroma. Hi guys, good afternoon. Nagpapak lang kami ngayon ni Jan ng mga orders and then merong nanghingi ng mangga, 3 katao. So kukuha tayo ng mga 6 to 7 pieces. No, only 2 person. So, we get 5 pieces. Yung isa, bigyan natin ng 3. Yung isa naman, we give 3. No? Kasi malaki yung box ng isa, yung isa medyo maliit lang. So, as you can see, mayroon pang marami dito pero hindi namin kinukuha yung mga may yellow na. Yung kinukuha natin ay yung mga green. We get the green ones. So even if small, as long as it's green, ayun oh. And medyo mahangin ngayon. Ay, nahulog. Ayun, 2 kaagad. Wow. 2 already. Feeling ko mahinog na ito pagdating sa kanila. Kasi 2 to 3 days eh. Ayan. Ayan oh, so pretty, no? Ayun, another one. Ayun, bunog. Ayun, bunuga dear. So another 2. Last 2. Ito oh, parang hinog na to oh. Ayun. I think. Okay. Oo. Akala ko yun dito lang sa mga side na to, sa mga edges, darling. I'm wrong. Ay, ang laki nito. Ay, wow. Bongga. We're not gonna. It's already almost ready. Do we still give it?
No.
Oh.
Save it for ourselves.
Okay. Mga green lang ang kunin natin. Grabe talaga, natutuwa ako guys na i-share natin yung mga blessings natin sa ating mga kababayan, no? Pero hindi naman pina-priority ko talaga guys yung mga nag-order sa akin para isang shipping na lang. Pero pwede naman kayo pag may extra pa ako, pwede naman kayo mag-order ng mangga lang sa akin. Usually hindi naman ako nag-charge talaga ng mahal, no? Pero pag mga kapitbahay, pwede naman kayong pumunta dito at kayo mismo ang mag-harvest, no? Oh, another, ano na po siya dear? Another almost ripe.
Okay.
We'll see. Tignan na lang natin mamaya. Maybe one more green. Ayan, meron pa dito oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring my camera please. Siya kalaki guys oh. Wow. So, hi guys. So may nanghihingi din ng malunggay. Lalagay din tayo ng malunggay. Okay. Ang hingi ng Uy, bakit mo dito nilagay, darling? Hindi ba yan sa kanya? Example lang yun. Ayan. So, hopefully, sis, moturok ito. Ay, moturok na nga, oh. Meron na nga, oh. Ibugsok mo na lang ito sa lupa, sis. Pwede na to, sis. Ayan. Cecil Tindog. Ma'am Cecil Tindog. Si Ma'am Cecil, tawagan natin. Nanghingi siya sa akin ng malunggay na pangtanim. So, ito tatawagan natin with tuyo. Ito na yung tuyo niya. Cecil Tindog. Ilan yung tuyo ni Ma'am? Hi guys, it's dinner time.
Ta-da-na. There's your chicken wings, dear.
Kanin na? Where's my kanin?
Over there.
Oh, that's salada.
Unless you want rice.
Maybe not for today. Wow, look at those big steak. It looks delicious. Ooh.
You want a bowl for your salad?
Okay, bowl for salad. Alam nyo guys, hala, kalkal pa yung buhok ko. Ngayon lang kami nagising. Natulog kami ng around, I don't know, 3 o'clock.
Yes.
And then, nagising kami ngayon lang, mga alas 8. Yung nap namin, naging tulog talaga siya guys. So, I think it's been going on for about 1 week now. Na pag nagnanap kami, nadidiretsyong tulog siya talaga. What are you drinking? Ah, okay.
Water.
So, ganito. Hindi naman talaga ako ma-jet lag na tao, guys, no? Pero this time, ewan ko ba, malala yung jet lag ko this time. Siguro dahil masama yung pakiramdam namin ni Jan. Ayan, so nagluto, while I was editing in the room, nagluto lang si Jan ng, ito sa akin. I don't know, I think this is a leftover or no?
Leftover.
Leftover. Ranch dressing, ang ating dressing sa salad. It's been a while since nag-salad ako, ha?
Cucumber salads.
Oo. Hindi Philippines cucumber salad kasi doon sa lugar namin wala masyadong lettuce. Meron naman kasi pahirapan sa pag bili. Kain tayo. Not sure kung makakapag-upload ako ngayon kasi ano na 8:39 na. Usually nag-upload ako ng 11 a.m. 11 to 12. Kung kaya pa, mag-edit ako mamaya. Mabilis na actually ako mag-edit.